Hey, it's Killbite here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Ford slide out spare tire carrier. So it's actually pretty easy, but there's a couple gotchas and you may not have a manual, and I'll show you how to adjust it too. Anyway, you got a key right here. This locks the lever. You want to turn it up so it's pointed up. Pull it out, and that'll allow it to hang. Hopefully your still has the tie. If not, don't lose it. Now you've got a lever. You're going to pull this out. Now be aware, you may or may not have the weight of the tire get on you. So this is pulling this out. It should catch right here on the front, and mine did, and it's done 9 out of 10 times. Mine is caught like it's supposed to. So when you get it to here, you want to push up and pull that back, set it down. Now you may think you got to pull here. No, don't pull there, pull here. So you pull, and you got to kind of lift it out of a little set piece and just pull it this way. And you pull it all the way to here. So it makes it fairly easy. Now, obviously you pull it off, do your thing, you put the flat tire in the bed or whatever. When you're ready to put your spare tire back, so I recommend you put it in, unless you got a mag wheel or something, you know, aluminum wheel or something. I recommend you put it in with the front of the tire down so that you can add air. If necessary, you can have it face up. So you just set it down, have it on the, let me show you the mount. So that's what holds it from the side, moving sideways. Make sure you got it on there. Let's just slide it back in, lift. It's not that bad. I say that. There it goes. Now it's hanging on this. Do this at your own risk. This is how it's supposed to work, and 9 out of 10 times it works. You can put a jack under here if you need to. Now you're gonna push this in. Take your clip. And there you go. You're in. Now, let me show you a couple things here in case you need to adjust yours. Your tire should not be smashed. All right, it should be snug, not smashed. If you see a lot of, if it's digging into the tire, it's too tight and it's gonna end up ruining your tire after a little while. So right here is where you adjust it. On this side, I had to lower mine. There's a nut right here, it's a 3/4. And then there's a locking nut on the top also. And let me show you the other side. And then here's the one on the other side. It's just a nut on the bottom. You want to have this, again, tight. You may have to adjust both depending on your tire size, if it has changed at all, or if it was incorrect to begin with, like mine. So you may have to adjust yours, both sides. Have it nice and level across there. And well, that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.